BBE devices for algae analysis use a unique method of spectral algae class differentiation to determine the content of chlorophyll A as a proxy for the biomass. Algae class means a group of similar phytoplankton, like diatoms or cyanobacteria. Like plants, phytoplankton, microscopic organisms living in the water, perform photosynthesis using pigments to turn sunlight into chemical energy. A small part of the absorbed energy is emitted by the main photosynthetic pigment, chlorophyll A, as fluorescence. If the algae are illuminated by the artificial light from LEDs, then the intensity of the fluorescence will be related to the amount of chlorophyll A inside of the cells. This method is the basis of the determination in the BBE fluorometers. 5 main spectral classes can be identified, which are related to the different algae pigments. These pigments cooperate with chlorophyll A to transfer the energy of the trapped light. Each class has a characteristic pattern of fluorescence at defined excitation wavelengths. This is termed the norm spectrum and enables the fluorometer to identify different algae in a sample. Assuming a given concentration of one algae class in the sample, the measured spectrum may look like this. Now, the BBE software, with its unique algorithm, searches for the best fit based on existing norm spectra. Looking at a measurement of a sample with 2 algal groups, the fluorescence spectrum may look like this. Again, the software searches for the best match. In this case, the combination of 2 norm spectra. An important issue is the effect of so-called yellow substances, or color-dissolved organic matter. These compounds have interfering fluorescence effects and will lead to incorrect measurements. Knowing the fluorescence properties of yellow substances, the BBE devices compensate for their effects. A sample taken from a water body will probably contain a mixture of different algae classes. Using the norm spectra of all classes and the yellow substances, the BBE fluorometers will find the correct chlorophyll A concentration for each class. The method has a high sensitivity, needs no sample preparation, and is unbeatably quick. BBE fluorometry is the standard for advanced monitoring of phytoplankton in the world.